Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
1. Sealed tenders are invited from the authorized service centers to carry out the annual maintenance of computer systems and network in the office of the Cantonment Board situated at St. Thomas Mount and sub-office at Pallavaram during the year 2015. Tender schedule can be obtained from the office on payment of rupees 500 from 20th to 31st December 2014. The tenders shall be placed in the tender box kept in the office before 3 p.m. on 1st January 2015 and the same will be opened at 4 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives who may be present. An earnest money deposit of rupees 2000 may be paid in cash at the office or may be paid in the form of demand draft in favor of Chief Executive Officer St. Thomas Mount. The board reserves the right to accept or reject any or all tenders without giving any reason therefor. Draft tender notice to be issued by the Chief Executive Officer of the Cantonment Board. 2. Applications are invited from Indian citizens for appointment as Registrar of Pondicherry University. Educational qualifications: a master's degree, at least 15 years of experience as assistant professor is required. Scale of pay for the post is rupees 37,000 to rupees 67,000 with grade pay of rupees 10,000. Appointment will be on tenure for a period of 5 years or till attaining the age of 62 years, whichever is earlier. Applications with prescribed fee of rupees 300 in favor of the finance officer, Pondicherry University, should be sent to the Deputy Registrar Administration, Pondicherry University, Puducherry, so as to reach him on or before 10th January 2015. Draft advertisement to be issued by Deputy Registrar Administration. 3. A Class 8 student of a private school was returning from school when a lorry hit her on Saturday. She was rushed to a private hospital and given first aid. She was then shifted to Stanley Medical College Hospital, where she was declared dead around 10 pm. The lorry driver has been remanded to custody. He will be taken to Pural prison on Monday. Police investigation into the matter is proceeding. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.